guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to do some hamburgers today. Now I went ahead yesterday and bought some whole wheat burger buns. To make our burger patties, we're going to use veggie mince, tofu and chickpeas. Now to give it a nice little vibrant color, we're going to use as well beetroot. Now guys, I made some pickled onion. I think this will complement the hamburgers so much. Don't forget guys to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. Going in with some extra virgin olive oil, adding our Scotch bonnet pepper and thyme, as well as onion, some scallion, we want to get the seasonings a bit translucent. Going in with our veggie mince, adding some garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, salt, as well as some black pepper or tofu. And guys, I want you to cook this on low heat so all the flavors can break down before we start assembling the patties, right? And our chickpeas, I'm actually making enough for another day as well. That is the beauty about when you're making your own stuff. You make enough so you can have it for breakfast or lunch or something else, right? Now I want you guys to add like about 2 tablespoons of water, not a lot. And we're going to cover this and let it cook, right? Alright, let's take a look at our mince now. So far so good. The flavor is there. You want to make sure you scrape the pot bottom because that's a lovely flavor sticking to the bottom of the pot there. And remember, medium to low heat. We're not in any rush, right? While our meat over there cooking up, we're going to grate the beetroot. And trust me guys, you won't even taste the beetroot in this one. Adding our beetroot. And we can add just a little bit of water guys. The point is not to add a lot of water because I don't want it to be hard to assemble, right? Return your covers. Everything is looking lovely here. To bind it together, we're going to use oatmeal, and this is just the old-fashioned oats I've turned into flour. Alright, we're going to allow this to cool down and then we return. This is how things are looking after an hour. What I'm going to do now is to just mold them out, right? If you're going to fry it, you need to put it on grease paper and put it in the freezer. And you can see guys how lovely our patties look. Whenever the oats expand, this is how it's going to be. Nice to manage. You can use this to make, you can do this for your meatballs or your burger patties, whatever. And if you're gluten free, make sure the oats is gluten free, or if you want to use another binding agent such as flax meal, it will work just the same. You can just mold them in with your hand, the top there. These are phenomenal, guys. I mean, the flavor is there. And the best thing about it is that you can make these and keep them in the freezer for up to a month. So we're going to freeze this for 15-20 minutes. Then we return. And for our mayo dressing, we're going to do sriracha sauce mixed with the mayonnaise. I think that's the next layer of flavors that we can work with. So just a little bit. The sriracha sauce to the mayonnaise here, just a little because it is spicy. And beside the hamburger, we're going to have some plantains. Whether you want to put it in there or beside, that's fine. I've washed the outside of my plantain, guys. And this is a nice ripe plantain. Going in with some oil. We're going to fry the plantains and fry the burger patty in this oil as well. We're going to drain the plantain on a piece of paper towel just to remove that excess oil. Going in with our burger patties. And when you're frying them, you still want to use caution because guess what? They will break. I am very pleased with the outcome of these. Time for the most exciting part, guys, assembling, because we know how to assemble. Where we're going to do? Eat. Alright, so mayo. Adding on our lettuce. And these sliders, guys, the kids will enjoy them. Taking it right out of the pot. And you can build your burger up with whatever you like. Going in with some vegan cheese. And you can assemble the burger however you like. Some people don't like tomato, so you can add tomato to some. You can do without it, right? It's just what your family enjoy. And last but not least, our pickled onions. I had pickled the onions with coriander, vinegar and water. Just for depth of flavor. Again. And there you have it, guys, our nice hamburger slice. Look at that. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.